and welcome back to the gardening, guys, with myself and Michael. So obviously today, as you can see, if you didn't see before, we have obviously dug it over. We've obviously got the weeds out, tried to get the majority of the stones out, and we had some like a leaf mulch mixed in with rotted down grass clippings and obviously horse muck that we've had in a pile over the back there. Okay, and obviously we've scattered it on the land. Obviously, as you can see, it's nothing special, it's just rotted down, as you can see. Okay, so that's good. And obviously this patch now will be for the sweet corn. So the sweet corn's only just starting to pop through in the 10cm pots, so we've got quite a bit of that. Sorry,
Someone else.
Another pot holder. So yeah, obviously that's just a bit of obviously what we've been doing today.
Slabs.
Yeah. So obviously we've tried to reposition some of the slabs. There was a bit.
There's
that
one there.
There is, yeah. So we've obviously put, I think if you can see, house bricks underneath just to sort of level it up for now, because it was kind of, you were walking like this, which would have been a bit dangerous because you'd have been walking straight over, which is not a good idea.
And
so,
you didn't do these, so you can't break anymore.
Yeah,
because you broke another one.
You're gonna go. Well, from what I can see,
they're a lot more safer. There's just a few others that just need
just
tweaking.
A few others that we need to get round to.
Okay, what else has been done?
Obviously, before I got down today, obviously, Michael
I was here well before.
Here first, and he's obviously took all the weeds out of the frame and give it a quick dig over. Obviously, for all those that you can see
the
holes in it. Unfortunately, that was down to foxes during the winter, but obviously we've got plenty more of this, so hopefully the weekend we will obviously patch it up and repair it, and then obviously that will be then for when the cabbages are ready to go into the ground. So
bit of path clean up on the side.
Yeah, so obviously a bit of a path clean up as well. So we've actually started to get all the weeds and the grassy bits out of the path. There's still a few little bits here and there, but we've been bouncing back, from obviously job to job. So yeah, you'll have to stay tuned, and hopefully we'll get that done.
Some of the grass from a neighbouring plot has had to be cut back.
Yeah, it was
starting to encroach.
It was. So
we broke out the old
Ryobi
strimmer.
Yeah.
Got that sorted.
So,
what else has been done? I think other than that, it's just been minor bits of cleaning up, hasn't it?
Yeah, but other than that, bit of cleaning up, tarting up a few bits and bobs.
Some photos.
We've done some beautiful photos, mainly of the sort of around the pond and the flowers. So don't forget to definitely have a look at them.
Instagram and Twitter.
Beautiful crackers. Yeah, they're on Instagram and that. So don't forget to head over there and definitely have a look at that too.
Okay, we're going to cover in one of the next videos what you're covering with the trees.
I will indeed. So yeah, there's another little one coming up, which I'm going to do something with the tree. I won't give it too much away, but that'll be in the next video. So yeah, should be. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget, if you've ever got any comments, don't forget to link them down below. I shall see you soon, guys. Take care and see you later from the gardening, guys.
Call me a